Now we're finding distance when we're given points. I'm going to use my same method up here by counting how far over the x's are and the y's. So if I look at the x values, I'm going to count how far are they from each other. So when I count how far, -3 to -6 means I have to subtract 3. When I go from y to y, -6 to +8 means that I'm going to be adding 14. I plug that into my equation, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we get 9 plus 196 equals c squared. When I add those together, I get 205 equals c squared. Square root it. And 205, when you break it down, is 5 times 41. Those two are prime, you can't break them down anymore, so our solution is the square root of 205. -6 to 7, its distance is adding 13. From 4 to -1, you're subtracting 5. Plug them into the into Pythagorean theorem. 13 squared is 169 plus 25 equals c squared. When I add 169 plus 25, we get 194. Square root it. 194 is left in the radical. -1 to -6, we subtract 5. From 6 to 8, we're going to add 2. Squared plus squared equals c squared. 25 plus 4 equals c squared. 29 equals c squared. Square root to get rid of that power. The square root of 29 cannot be reduced, so it stays square root of 29. 0 to 7, add 7. 7 to 8, add 1. Squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. 49 plus 1 equals c squared. 50 equals c squared. Square root to get rid of the power. When I simplify the square root of 50, this one can actually break down, so the 5s are allowed to leave and the 2 stays in the radical.